Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's video I'm going to show you on how to charge your Infinix Band 5 or your Infinix XB05. Let's go. Alright guys, so welcome back to our channel, and for today's videos I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to charge your Infinix Band 5. Yes, so I know guys, when we got the package there wasn't any wire on it. So for me to show you, so all you just have to do guys is you're going to remove the strap carefully. So as you can see, there is the circle icon here. So what we have to do is we're going to remove the strap opposite to this circle icon. So let's do it guys, and make sure that it is not damaged. So as you can see two pins there. Yes, all right. Okay, so if you turn it back, so let's just carefully remove it guys. So make sure that you will not break it. Okay. All right, so as you can see guys, it's our power bank, and all we just have to do is we're going to charge this one. So in our case, so this is the pins are here, and this is also our power bank pins, and make sure that those gold pins should be attached. Yes, okay, and boom, it is charging guys. And those pins, if they are not attached, then it will not charge at all, like this one. Yeah, okay, so it's just very easy guys, and I know you might have some trouble charging it. Yes, okay, and once again guys, if you have any questions about this smart band, just comment down below. And if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I'll see you soon.